IPO 360 में आपका स्वागत है और आज हमारे साथ निरूपा शंकर, मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर ब्रिगेड होटल वेंचर्स, जिनका IPO आने वाला है, वो हमारे साथ स्टूडियो में है। निरूपा जी, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद CNBC आवाज़ के साथ बातचीत करने के लिए। IPO मार्केट काफ़ी हॉट है और टाइमिंग भी बहुत बढ़िया है क्योंकि बहुत सारे IPOs लाइंड अप हैं। कुछ आपकी कंपनी के बारे में बताइए। आप होटल बिजनेस में हैं, हाउ मेनी प्रॉपर्टीज डू यू हैव, क्या एक्सपेंशन प्लान्स अगर आप बता सकें हमको।
Thank you for having me. So Brigade Hotel Ventures was set up in 2009. We've been a 16-year-old company in the hospitality space. We have 9 hotels now, and what we did in 16 years, we are planning to do in the next 5 years.
Correct.
So we are looking to set up another 9 to 10 hotels in the next 5 years. And our properties are across mostly southern India.
Okay.
And so Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Kochi, Trivandrum, and GIFT City. And yeah, we're looking to do heavy expansion. Right now, we're mostly in the 5-star, 4-star. We have, out of the 9 hotels, about 6 are in the 5-star category.
Right.
2 are in the 4-star, and 1 is in the 3-star category.
Okay.
So now, going forward with the new expansion that we have, we're planning to do maybe out of the 9 to 10 hotels that we have coming up, we're planning to do at least 50% in the 5-star and the luxury category.
Okay.
And then, or maybe even more, and then maybe 2 or 3 in the 4-star category.
करेक्ट। तो आपने लैंड पार्सल्स और सिटीज जहां आप सेटअप करने वाले हो, यू हैव आइडेंटिफाइड दोस लैंड पार्सल्स?
Yes. So for out of the in the objects, we have 1 unidentified acquisition listed there.
Okay.
But for the remaining 9 properties, we've tied up all the lands. In most cases, we've also tied up the brands for the hotel. So everything is sorted except for 1 hotel. We've tied up the land and the brand.
Right. So मैम, जब मैं आपका RHP पढ़ रहा था और जो डिटेल्स मेरे पास हैं, मेजॉरिटी पेमेंट्स विल गो ऑन डेट।
Yes.
तो करंट व्हाट इज द डेट एंड किस तरीके से आप पूरा IPO प्रोसीड्स यूज करेंगे?
Yeah. So we came out with an issue of about 886 crores, out of which 126 crores has gone towards pre-IPO.
Okay.
So the balance 759.6 odd crores will go towards predominantly debt repayment. So about 466 crores will go towards debt. Another 107 crores will go towards purchase of a particular land.
Okay.
And then about 35% of it will go towards general corporate and admin. Plus we've kept, including 1 unidentified asset. So we've kept about 90 crores for opportunistic buying.
करेक्ट। सो क्या आपको लगता है कि जो आप डबलिंग कर रहे हैं अपनी कैपेसिटी नेक्स्ट 5 इयर्स में, यू हैव सफिशिएंट कैश ऑन द बैलेंस शीट, इंटरनल अक्रूवल से आप एक्सपैंड कर पाएंगे या वापस से आपको बहुत ज़्यादा डेट रेज करने की जरूरत पड़ेगी?
So right now we will look to repay the debt. Our cost of borrowing is very healthy, I would say, one of the lowest also in the industry, because we also have our parentage of Brigade Enterprises. So our cost of borrowing is relatively low. It is sub 9%. But after we repay this debt, we have enough internal accruals to start the construction of these hotels. But maybe towards FY27, we might start looking to raise some more debt.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, ma'am, जो आपके करंट प्रॉपर्टीज हैं, how has been the performance, occupancy, and जो margins आपने किए, क्योंकि last 2-3 years have been very strong for luxury segment, premium segment. So, जो परफॉर्मेंस है, क्या मेंटेन रहेगा आगे जाके? किस तरीके से आप देखते हैं ऑपरेटिंग लेवरेज जो बेनिफिट जनरली करता है लग्जरी होटल्स को?
So basically our portfolio has been doing very well. Our occupancy average for the entire portfolio is around 77%. And this is despite adding a new hotel last year. So if maybe without that hotel, it would have been closer to 80%. So the portfolio is doing very well. If you look at markets like Bangalore, Chennai, even the country as a whole, those market averages are around 65%. So the portfolio is doing very well. ARR, of course, is different. Our portfolio is predominantly in Bangalore and in some tier 2 markets like GIFT City, in Kochi, in Mysore. So the ARR is trending at around 6,800 currently. But with a new mix of hotels, I think that the ARR can significantly change and increase, because we're coming up with a lot more 5-star and 5-star deluxe hotels. So accordingly, ARR will go up. And with the EBITDA, I would say our hotels are at a decent EBITDA, but I would say that they have room to improve, and that is what we're going to work on over the next couple of years. It's already at 36 odd %, but I think as an operating portfolio, it can inch up closer to 40%. And I would say last year we did about, we had a 16% growth rate with the existing portfolio. 15% growth in EBITDA, and I think there's nothing to prevent us from doing the same in the coming year, even though we're not adding any new portfolio in the next year. And in terms of 5-star hotels, yes, we are planning to grow our portfolio in the 5-star deluxe category. And typically those hotels have much higher EBITDA because the flow through of the ARR. Typically the ARR flow through is about 80 to 85% to your EBITDA. So higher the ARR, the better the flow through to EBITDA. So when you change the portfolio mix, you will see a better flow through of EBITDA.